Hello kids, today we'll learn ABC and counting number 1, 2, 3 with your favorite YouTube channel. Let's get started. Now, this is our color. This is green color. This is red color. This is brown color. This is sea green color. This is purple color. This is sky blue color. This is pink color. This is black color. This is orange color. This is blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. 1 O-N-E 1. 2 T-W-O 2. 3 T-H R-E-E 3. A B C 1 2 3. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.